Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm so excited for because I'm showing you some things I bought for the baby, and she is due next month. I'm currently 33, almost 34 weeks pregnant, and I've been collecting things throughout the pregnancy for her. For those of you who know me personally or have been following me a while, know that this is not my first baby. I have 4 other children, ages 4, 3, 2, and 1. They're all very close together, which I like. But when I had my 4th, I thought maybe I was done with 4. Obviously not. I decided to go on having more, but I did get rid of a lot of things, a lot of baby items when I thought I was done. So more newborn stuff because my youngest is only a year old. So I do have a lot of the baby things still, but I got rid of a lot of newborn things, like I said, and so I had to collect some more here and there, which I will show you. This, of course, is not everything for the baby because I have different things. Hand-me-downs, I still have some of those that I saved. Unfortunately, most of the newborn clothes I donated, but if anything was like really good quality, I did save some of those, and I'll show you what I have right now. Now let me start out by saying I have a couple of larger items. I'll just tell you about them rather than bringing them here on the video. So I did buy a pack and play that she'll probably sleep in. We had a bassinet, the Halo bassinet, for the first 4 children, and that worked great, but, well, it worked good for 2 out of 4 of the children, maybe 3. The third one was iffy, but my oldest did not like it, and we wound up letting go of that. And this time around, I just wanted to kind of keep it simple, and we're doing a pack and play. So I have a spot for that in our bedroom and everything. It's all set. I'll insert a picture of what it looks like. And we also have a car seat that I bought because we were using the same newborn car seat for all 4 of the children. And I think it's probably time to move on from that one. I don't like it very much either. I mean, it's very safe, but it's very heavy. So I bought one that was a little bit lighter weight, and I haven't unboxed it and put it in the van yet, but I will, in our minivan. I will eventually, but there's not a huge rush right now. Also, I'll try to link what I can in the description box below if you want to check that out. And before I show you anything else, would you mind subscribing, hitting the subscribe button if you have not done so already? That would help me out so much. And you can also follow me along on my pregnancy journey if you do that. Also hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post a new video, and I would really appreciate that. So thank you so much, and let's get started. So the first item I have is a baby carrier, or I guess it's like a sling. I believe it's organic cotton or muslin or something. It looks like muslin, but I got it off of Amazon, and I did use it with Hattie, who is a year old. She's my youngest. I did use it with her a little bit when I was out one time, and it pulled on my back quite a bit, but I think it's because she was like really heavy. So for a newborn, I think this will work out great. I washed it, and that's why it doesn't look very new, but definitely needed a baby carrier, so this was a very good purchase. Also, something else I already cracked into for my other daughters was these headbands. We used a few of them already, but this is what I still have in the box, and I really like them. You can see they're real tiny, but they stretch, and they can fit a newborn. They can fit, actually they can fit me. I use them, so my head's not that small, so there you go. Now, also, I should mention that my other kids did get into a lot of this stuff. So, because I was keeping it in a basket in my bedroom for filming, and they got into it. So, anyway, I'll show you real quick what I got in a box that was actually free. I don't think I have everything that came in that box, but for creating a registry on Amazon, they gave me a box of baby items. There's a bottle, a cute little muslin swaddle blanket. You can never have too many of those. 3 to 6 month size onesie. Here's another bottle without the lid that I think also came in that box, but I probably won't use it, but it's cute. I also got a little sample pack of Draft, I think it's called Draft, the baby laundry detergent. I'm not sure if I'll use that or not, but I did get that, and there may have been a couple of other things that I don't have with me, so I guess that's it for that box. So, something I'm really excited about, which I don't know why I am, because my other kids didn't really use pacifiers, but the pacifiers, I got some nicer ones, and I'm just excited to see if she will like them or not. This is Nano something or other. You can see Hattie chewed it up there, so that's fun. So anyway, I'm excited for these ones. They're very cute. This is the brand Bibs. This is a natural rubber pacifier with a round nipple, it says. Actually, I'll take some of these out for you to see, because I was waiting to wash everything and unpackage stuff for this video. So once I'm done with this, I'll probably start washing everything and getting it ready, because we are getting close to her arrival. This is what these look like. They're really cute. And I'll take these ones out. May as well. These ones say lightweight and ergonomic, and they feel really flexible, so I think they're going to be good. And these are for newborns. They're 0 to 3 months. The other ones are 0 to 6 months. And these ones, I think I'm the most excited for. Sweetie Soother. They're called 0 months plus. Let's take them out. They are food grade silicone, which I guess is good. Oh, they're soft. These are soft ones. Oh. I hope she likes them. That's what they look like. You can see they're like, well, you can't see how soft they are, but they're very soft. Okay, moving on. I got several packs of Bibs. Let's see. No wait. This is green sprouts. I think I got, this must be all of them. 3 packs? Or maybe I got 4. No, I think I got 3. These are the Bibs that have the padded part here, like the extra padding around the edges. I'll take one out. Okay, so they feel like they have a layer of waterproof. Okay, it says waterproof material, protective layer, helps keep babies dry and parents dry. I remember when Hattie was a newborn, when I was trying to feed her, she dripped her milk out of her mouth like constantly, and all the Bibs would get soaked. And so I'm really hoping that this will help with that this time around. So like I said, there's 3 packs of these. That's 9 Bibs because there's 3 in a pack. So that's, I think I went a little crazy with the Bibs. This is the Tommy Tippy brand. This is basically the same exact thing. Maybe just a more expensive version of them, but there's 2 in the pack here, and it says for 0 months plus. So that's good. I also got a yellow pack of that. I guess they're yellow. And these are muslin Bibs, organic cotton muslin Bibs for 0 to 12 months. 4 absorbent muslin layers, and there's 5 in this pack. Okay, so for bottles, I got the Comotomo bottles. There's 2 in a pack. I got 3 packs, and I actually broke into one for Hattie, so this is what they look like. It was an adjustment for her at first, but she really likes it. It was just because the bottle she had before was smaller, and so holding on to this one was a little bit harder because it was wider, but she caught on right away, and she's fine. So one thing I really like about these is how wide they are, so they're so easy to clean. I don't even need to use a bottle brush. I mean, I use a nipple brush like to clean out the little cracks and crevices, but for the main part, I just use a regular sponge, and there's a hair on it. Gross. Sorry. So like I said, I got 3 packs, broke into one, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 total. So for now, that's fine. Okay, so I also got these blankets. I wonder if these were in the free pack. I don't think so. No, I think I bought these. No, they're not blankets. Okay, so they are sheets. Yes. They are Pack and Play portable crib sheets. So they're 100% cotton, jersey knit cotton, and they're, like I said, for the pack and play. That's what those look like. Box is ripped. They got squished. Now I got these 2 muslin swaddle blankets. Lovable Friends is the brand, and I believe my mom actually bought us some blankets, me and my sisters, when we were having babies. She bought us these same kind of blankets, and I like to get them now every time I have a baby because I like them so much. They're nice and big, and they swaddle really well, and they're breathable. I don't have to worry about them too much if they would get in the baby's face, God forbid. So, because you always worry about things like that, but these are really good. Okay, I also got these, I believe these are burp cloths. Yeah. So, let's see. Not much to show here, but I mean, they still look really soft. So this is what they look like. Yeah, these are nice. They're nice burp cloths. So I'm going to wash these. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I guess there's 9 because they give you an extra one. The brand is Baby Bye, something like that. So those are cool. Also, this is probably what I'm most excited for. When we had Hattie, I put her in a swaddle at the hospital and took pictures of her in this cute little stretchy floral swaddle, and I think it was navy blue, and everyone loved it. It was so adorable. I loved it. So I got this baby one with flowers. I guess is that turquoise, maybe? Anyway, I just thought it was so cute, and I'm very excited to put her in it and take pictures of her at the hospital after I wash it with everything. Okay, so I kind of have to hurry. My husband is outside with the children trying to keep them happy. Let me move on to clothing. So I found some really good deals at Target, and this is obviously not all of her clothing, but this is what I bought along the way, just in case she comes early like my 2 older ones did. The doctors think that she might. I got this one preemie outfit. I might still get more preemie things just to be safe, but I thought it was really cute. It has little ruffles on the butt. Okay, this one is not from Target. This one is from Amazon, I believe. It's a nightgown with a headband. I think that's a newborn size, I'm pretty sure. Okay, also in newborn. Wait, where's the newborn? Okay, this is a newborn. Some of these things I got in multiple sizes because I just thought they were so darn cute. This one has a little lamb on it. These are 0 to 3 months. These little coveralls. They're so cute. And I actually also got them in, what size is this? 3 to 6 months. Same thing. Okay, this is newborn as well. That's good. I was afraid I didn't get a lot of newborn. Pretty simple. I like how it has the zipper. And this brand, Just One You, has a zipper. I don't know if all of them have it, but it has it from the bottom, like from the feet, as well as one from the top. So you can unzip it either way, which makes it really convenient. I also got that same pattern in 6 month size. Okay, this one is a 6 to 9 month. You see, I think I showed you one that I got in newborn. So this is when she's a little bit bigger. This one is a 6 month. Very cute. I love how it has the little gathers. I think they're so feminine and cute, and ruffles at the shoulders. And this one is a 9 month. This also has little gathers and cats. I think those are cats on the feet. This one, okay, this must have fallen off a hanger, I think. But anyway, this is a 3 month size. And I wonder, no, it's not quite the same as the other ones with the lambs. Okay, this is 3 month as well. I really like this one. I thought maybe I got different sizes in this, but I guess not. I think that's so cute. It has giraffes, kangaroos, elephants, monkeys. Okay, so I think that's just about everything. Oh, I should also mention though, I do have these extra cans of formula left over from Hattie that are still good until 2023. So I'll have those for backup, and this is the best. Okay, I saved the best for last, which is her going home outfit for the hospital. Now, this is kind of cute, kind of funny. With all 4 of the kids, I put them in penguin outfits for when they went home from the hospital. I actually had a shirt here, which I may have used for this baby, but I decided to break that tradition because sometimes it's really hard to find penguin outfits when you're taking a child home in the spring or something, which I found out with Titus. He was born in April, and Hattie, who was born in May. So those were kind of difficult, but this time around the baby's born in October. It's not that difficult because it would be long sleeves anyway, but I just really, really liked this one. And I know it's just plain, but that's the brand. I really liked it. It has a zipper. It's very simple. It's very soft. It is organic cotton, and it has those mittens so she doesn't scratch her face. And it's in a size newborn. So I'm so excited for this outfit. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it helped you out somehow, gave you some ideas maybe on what to get for your baby if you are going through the same process or same period as I am. So like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting a birth vlog with a name reveal, maybe in the same video, possibly. So look forward to that. I also post other mommy content and homemaking videos, cooking, cleaning, and whatnot. So if you like that kind of thing, stick around, and I'll see you guys next time with a pregnancy update. Bye.